Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In today's video we are working on UPSs. Yes, right. So here I have three types of UPS. All of them does not start up, and this is really simple. Why? Because the batteries inside are dead. So inside we have this LED batteries of 12 volts and an amperage between 7.2 and 9 amps. The dimensions are the same. Usually these batteries based on the manual are not the user swappable, but yeah, you don't need a lot of knowledge to change them. So you can buy this on any hardware store, and you can revive your UPS in case is completely dead. So let me show you how to change a battery in one of them. So in order to make this video shorter, I took this UPS out of the three, just because it's simple, but nevertheless all of the UPSs have the same understanding or how to do it. Yeah, so you have to find the screws. Yeah, in this case, for this one there are 4 screws here, which I already took over out of this video because I wanted to speed up this tutorial. Some of them have here a screw or on the back side. Nevertheless, you have to remove the casing. Of course, you can figure it out how to do it. Yeah, so for this you have to remove, in this case, the front part, and then here the charging module, which is sitting on this upper part. You can see it. Yeah, here we have the transformer and the primary part of the input for current and power. Yeah, here is a bracket to hold in place the battery, and here we have the actual battery. And of course we have a negative and a positive side of the battery, which needs to be disconnected. Yeah, like this, and then you can completely remove the battery. So in order to find out if it's actually really the battery and you don't have a broken down unit, yeah, take a multimeter like this, put it on volts, let's see, and let's test the prongs here. So you can see we have 3.9 volts, which is less than 12 or 13 volts that is usually needed. Yeah, as you can see, 12 volts, 9 amps. Yeah, so on 3.9 volts this one is completely toast. If you have lower than 10 volts, it means the battery is completely dead. Yeah, if you have above 10 volts, then maybe it needs the charging, but nevertheless this unit should have been charging the battery. Okay, so here is a different battery. Unfortunately, this is also bad. I don't have in hand one good one, but the process to install, it's the same. You can take it, slide it here, then take the negative pole and then the positive pole, then put it back together the same way as you took it out. Don't forget to put the bracket. I forgot it, but nevertheless you got the idea how to do it. You can order these batteries from China, or you can either go to a hardware store and buy them from there. It's easy to find them. There's no need So this is how to install a new battery in case your unit is dead. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below if you manage to resolve it and revive your UPS. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. So give it a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.